Hello, my name is Valentina Nikolaevna. I'm retarded. My days were taught me about the PRIZM's cryptocurrency and the PRIZM Steam Locomotive team. I want to tell you about the Steam Locomotive PRIZM team. The Steam Locomotive community was formed thanks to PRIZM, meaning and its goal is to increase the profitability of each participant and give the opportunity to build a structure without any effort. In simple words, by remaining in the extraction of coins for the rest of your balance according to a certain algorithm. That is, you do not need any equipment and leave your device on. You will get extra coins just for keeping them on your address. Due to meaning you will increase your coins daily. In this case, your money will remain in your wallet and you will be able to dispose of them at your discretion. But the daily percentage of profit you will increase. In the steam train, it is quite simple. Purse are passed on after the other, as in steam train are up to the 88 level in depth. This increasing the volume of coins and powers increases the multiplier and income of each participant. To participate, you need to buy coins on the PRIZM exchange and full out of a firm. There are three ways to enter the locomotive. 50 coins is a plus, 1,000 coins plus, and 56,600 coins plus. On different pairs, after that your income will grow. The team has a website, Telegram channel, Skype chat, technical support works perfectly. Weekly webinars are held, so I participate in the promoting the best weekly video and get coins for it. The PRIZM Locomotive has its own PRIZM exchange where you can buy coins and sell them. On the PRIZM exchange, deposits are provided for amounts over 5,000 coins. With 30 days 15%, for 60 days 35%, on 100 days 80%. Believe that this is a great option of заработка. Opportunity to increase your capital. The conditions are excellent for this. Connect to the end kind. Happy New Year to all. Be happy.